another video, and in today's video we're going to be playing Live Monkey, checking out all the maps.
You do the intro.
I'm here with Jack. He was in a lot of my old videos. He was in a lot of my old videos.
Why not? Okay. Anyway, we're here in Lab Monkeys with. He's back in Boston on the new channel.
JD.
Yeah.
I talk a lot faster when I do the intros.
Okay, but let's go.
Than you do.
Hey, here's my question. Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Probably an introvert.
Okay, then why you? If you're an introvert, why? Anyway, we're gonna be checking out all the things. Backroom.
You want to start with backroom? Yeah, let's start from the beginning.
I'm probably gonna
What's your favorite level?
I don't have one. I don't really play this game.
Wait, is there a secret thing up there? But also, you know what word not to say? That's a cuss word.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I remember. Don't worry. After all this time, I still remember. After all this time, I still remember. Don't worry. Hey, should we do another? Should we do another part on abandoned big scary?
Because it wasn't getting any views.
Wait a minute.
And
JD.
What?
Should we post another episode on our series of the Big Scary?
So that's what I was just saying. You might be mad about it, but I deleted it because it wasn't getting any views. Plus, I haven't seen you in a long time.
Oh right. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't really care anymore. Makes sense why you did that.
Okay, let's actually go do this. Is there a way to escape this level?
Huh?
Is there a way to escape this level?
Yeah, you just have to wait until the time is up and go to the I'll show you when the time is up. Just wait.
Okay.
For an insanely long time. So it should go off with an alarm, and then the come with me, I'll show you. Oh no mind, he's right there.
Okay.
He was right there. Correcting myself.
And you know you can juke those guys, right?
Yeah, you can just yoink. Hey, the timer's not moving. Move, timer.
Timer's not what? Uh-oh.
Move.
I know there is another timer somewhere.
Yeah, it's at the start. W.
Jeez, that scared me.
Bro, I just want to see what the time is. You gone? Okay, that one's moving.
Nope.
I know. Did you think I would have died?
That thing scared the crap out of me.
No, I just ran. I was like, oh hi, and I was like, I just keep saying it.
It went that way. There's the red one.
I nearly said it.
Well, since the monster's not moving, do you want to check
nearly
out
said the word.
Other map?
I nearly said the word though. You know what word
Okay,
I'm
let's
talking
check
about?
out the other map.
Yay.
Yeah, I do.
We know it! Sorry, follow on American. I'm not American, I'm British.
So, the timer wasn't going, so I didn't want to do that map.
But yeah, so if the timer goes, you need to go to the other elevator and then press the button.
Do you want to go to the hospital or school?
I don't know how to beat the school.
Or what map? You pick.
Hospital.
You pick what map.
Because you go in a line from that way. So you go counterclockwise, or is it counterclockwise, right?
I'm going this way.
Wait.
Oh, thank you to whoever said my channel is underrated in the last video. Thank you.
Wait, let me.
Or not, maybe not.
Wait, let me
last
check
video,
something on my channel.
One of my
Hey,
videos.
tell them to subscribe to my channel. Do a shout out right now.
Yeah,
Right now.
subscribe to his channel. It's Jack the Jackster, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, and by the way, there isn't a space between Jack and Stir. It's just Jackster, one word.
Yes. Hey, do you have the other one of these?
You know, you have to press the trigger for it to work. Oh, it's this map. This isn't my favorite map. My favorite map is Circus. But let's go. How do you escape this?
You have to turn on all the generators. But also, there is a plague doctor. For some reason, I don't know why they chose that model. Jesus Christ, that I had a heart attack. Yeah, that's a plague doctor. Do you not know what a plague doctor is? SCP?
I don't know what that is. Should I?
Yeah, you should. Do you know what the plague is? Look, find the power terminals, turn on the power, the escape, don't get caught.
Escape, don't get caught.
Ed,
ED,
yeah,
or no, Ed.
1450.
1450.
1415. 55. 14.5. 14.5. 14.40. Maybe that's a secret code. I'm kidding. Probably not. I play Doctor. And placing blocks and look into my camera. Bro, what was that? Should we go? I'm scared. Bro, he has a small hitbox. So I mean,
You know we could just do the circus, right?
But okay, let me just tell them what they're looking for. Okay, so what you're looking for is a like boxes with big white buttons on them. And then you press it and then it should turn red.
Generators.
Yeah, generators. Thanks. Whatever. Okay, bye. Let's go do circus. Stop.
Circus. What's your favorite part of the circus? The
do you
clown, the monkey, or the killer bunny?
What killer bunny? They're in the
What's your favorite entity
in the
circus?
vents? Yeah, I don't really go in the vents because
Yeah.
it doesn't really need. You don't really need anything in the vents.
I don't know how to beat any of the maps. I just play them.
So you don't know how to beat the circus.
No, I don't know how to beat any map.
Okay, you need to flip the lever. Okay, you need to flip each
play
lever.
them.
Look what you can do with this stuff, though. Look what you can do with this.
Oh, that's a match. I thought
Wait.
the only thing you get was knives, and then you just throw them.
I think you can like cut stuff with this stuff. Okay, do you wanna get the first lever?
Does this torch match thing last permanently?
Yeah, you have to light it up, and then you go in, and you go like wait. Punch to my AC.
So where's the first one? Oh, do you need to put this in it?
No. Watch. I'll show you where it is. Come here. Come here. Okay. Come up. Come up. Okay, you need to flip this on. Get flipped. And then it should turn all the lights on. Lights are on.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go to the next one. Okay.
Oh, I've never been in there. What's in there? Clown?
Yeah, clown and also another generator.
I thought that was on the clown spot.
I really want to use my platforms. Look, wait, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
Did you buy currency or did you just wait?
I may have bought it. Okay, you.
Wait, you stand on it. You stand on it. No, you do it.
No, I want. Ah, Rio. What the heck? What the? Stop. I may have spent some money. I spent a lot of money. Wait, you have a quest 3 now?
Oh, what?
A quest 3, right? Bro,
Yeah, quest
things
3. I got it from
have
my
changed
birthday a
since I
couple
saw
days ago.
you used to have like a quest 1. Not 1, 2.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to
Quest
go to
2.
get the next
Well, it
thing?
was only a couple days ago when I got it, so.
Do you want to go get the next thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, hang on, let me do something. Okay, so this is the amazing show, Launch Jack into the Sky.
Wait, what?
I think that deserves
This
a
is
round of applause.
the amazing show Digital Circus. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It's really good.
I've seen it. Have you seen Murder Drums?
Of course I have. Oh my god, the ending is such
Murder
a banger.
Drums is
Oh my
favorite
god,
show.
they really cooked on it.
What, the ending of Murder Drums?
Yeah, the ending.
I
The
know.
absolute end. That's what it's called. The ending. That's what it's actually. Anyway, do you want to go get the next level?
Yeah, I was sad to see the last episode
No,
because
they're
I
making
like
another
that show.
season,
Probably
like
one of-
another season,
It's my
like season 2.
favorite.
Okay, do you want to go get the next thing?
Yeah, viewers, sorry about me and Jack being so annoying, wasting your time about talking.
If they're still here,
Sure.
that's surprising.
Okay, so let's go.
3,
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Run, run. There's no monster in here, I don't believe. Come on, liver. Ba ba ba. Where are you?
I
Hi.
thought the clown was in there.
Yeah, the clown.
How did he get in there?
I don't know. He just does. He does what he does. Don't go down yet. Wait. Go down. When he's over there, go down. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, make a run for it. Come on. Bro.
Where'd you go? I got on top of a box because he was chasing me.
Bum, 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 bum. You can see through walls now. I had no clue. If you can basically, you basically get free X-ray if you turn on green screen with your camera. Turn on.
If you turn on what?
Turn on green screen in your camera, you get free
Wait, turn what on?
green screen on your camera. You get like you can see behind the walls. Okay, come on, let's go.
Really? How? How do you see behind walls?
Yeah, like okay, if someone like I'll go behind this wall. Can you see me?
No. Wait, let me flip the camera. Dang it, how do you flip the camera? Oh. Not that. Not that.
It's this. Right there.
I don't see a button there.
Lit.
Hang on, let me flip it this way. Okay, what? This thing?
Yeah, so go behind the wall real quick. Can you see me? Wrong way.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, that's how you get free.
No, I do see you.
Okay, no, that's how you get free XP. Anyway,
Okay, let's
do
go.
you want to go get the other ones? Just die.
Yeah.
It's okay if you
How much
die.
was there? 4?
It's okay if, yeah, 4. We just got 2, and I know where the other 2 are. Don't worry, there's no in the vents.
So, do you need anything
There's
in the vents?
There's no levers in the vents. The vents are just to get around and stuff like that.
Okay.
But there's a bunny in them. Where are you? Hello? JD?
Right here.
Bro, I was like, JD, why? Sorry guys for that freak out. Come on. Okay, we have to go in there.
Okay, I did not break my charger. And can that guy go in there? I'm
Yes,
pretty sure he
can
can.
go anywhere.
Just the clown. Oh, wait, how's he getting there? Because every time I do it, he's...
Oh my god, there's a clown in there. That sucks. Okay, we want to make a run.
I know, you didn't know that?
No, I knew there was another clown. I thought you could only go in there. But no. You can go in there. Should we go now? Should we go now? Or should we
Yeah.
just keep it? No,
whenever he goes
let's not
by,
keep the
yeah.
audience bored.
So wait, explain where I'm supposed to go.
So
Explain
you're
where I'm
supposed to
going.
go there and then find a lever on that side. 3, 2. On the
Okay,
left
I'm
side, you're
following you.
supposed to find a lever. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Yes, I know my left and right. Come on. It's on. Hey, he can't come down.
Did it.
He can't come down. Okay, we have to go in
Yeah, I
there.
told you.
He can't go in there. Look,
I flipped it on and now it's not staying on, but it's still, well, it's still.
Yeah, don't worry, it's a glitch.
Do we have to go in the showtime?
Yeah, that will open when we get in there. When we get the lever that's inside there, it will open. Okay? But we have to make a run
What
for
will,
it.
the
Got it?
showtime thing?
Yeah. But we have to make a run
Got
for
it.
What?
So where are we going?
Inside there.
I wasn't listening.
Inside there. There, yes.
And there?
3, 2, 1, go.
He's chasing you.
Oh, crap.
Here, kid.
So close. Come on.
Jack?
Yes?
I died. I died.
Don't
Okay.
run.
Just come.
We'll get you.
Okay, just come, okay? Come, got it?
Come where? Go
Don't
where?
go up yet, he's coming down. Okay, go. Go now. Get now, go.
Where?
To the thing, to the showtime thing.
I can't. He's at the thing. He's at the, like the monkey's at the,
What, the monkey? Okay, just
and the clown.
juke him out, juke him out. They have very small hitboxes.
Okay.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba. This is a waiting
Both of
montage.
them do?
You're just supposed to run through, juke him, and then come to where I am, which is in the show. I'm on a box.
I did it.
Oh, I see you in the green screen. Get on, quickly.
Run.
He's behind you.
Okay.
Okay, wait until he goes over there, and then we can make a run for it. Okay?
Okay.
If he does, and then we flip the lever, and then the show time's open. Okay? We just wait until.
Okay.
Wait. Not yet. I'll tell you when to go. Wait.
I'm gonna hop on boxes the whole time.
Go. Quickly, on. We need to go past.
Oh, he's coming. He's right there.
Oh my god. You know what's creeping? When he gets close to you, you can see like a red outline.
Yeah.
Like when
That
he's
happens with all the
walking,
monsters.
you can see a red outline. Did I hear someone, or is it just me?
No, I heard someone.
Huh?
No, I heard someone.
Did you hear him call my
It's just
name?
part of the game. No.
When he goes back down, oh my god.
I feel like he knows we're here. He just doesn't want to.
No, he doesn't. It's out of
Just
his
want to
range
annoy
of
us.
seeing. There's like a little thing. So if they chase you for too long and then you can't, and they can't get you, it's in the AI. He just walks. He can't see you. That's how it works. It's in the AI.
Oh, do you ever play the game Hello Neighbor?
Yes, I have it. I've played it.
What do you play it on?
My PS5.
I'm trying to get a capture card to record Nintendo Switch videos.
What do you also record on Orb Studios? Because that's what I record on.
You record on what?
Orb Studios, do you?
OBS?
Yeah, OBS. Orb Studios.
It's called OBS.
Okay, but do you record
But
on it?
I want it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's such a
do you have to pay
good
for it?
recording thing. Oh, sorry guys. Should we go
Don't
now,
you have
or
to
should
pay for it though?
we go?
Yeah, we should probably go.
Because we're just making the audience bored by now. They probably clicked off the video. I'm probably speaking to no one. Okay, it's not here. Don't think. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm still going. Wait.
I tried. I am placing
I knew it.
Hello? Wait, JD, just skip. JD, just skip it. JD,
The clown's
just skip
right
the level,
there.
okay? Just skip. It doesn't matter. Okay. I'll wait. That's what I thought. Why not? Why not hear that? Bro, someone's here. Hello?
What? What do you mean, someone?
Bro, I heard the clicking sound. I heard like the blip blip. That's what I heard. Bro, my headset's slow. We need to get this video finished.
Do you edit on your headset or on a PC?
On my headset. Do you think I actually use PC? Well, I do because I made this. I do because I made the Portal series, but that's why I did that. It's totally not an. It's totally just not an excuse because. Can they open doors?
No, they can't.
This is making me think they can get in.
They can't go past this door, so it doesn't matter if it's open or not. They can't go past the door.
How do you know?
Because I've played this level.
Come on. I know. Close it, please, close that.
You don't need to close the door.
No, I do. Open it, please. Open it. No. Never again. Never in a million years. Bro, do you not hear that? Do you not hear that? Me. I think I hit puberty over like the summer. Bro, do
You're
I sound
what?
older to you? Why
No.
sound... I'm 8 now.
I'm not. Or no, I'm 10.
2 years older
I almost
than me.
forgot my age.
Come on, Sky. No.
Run.
Bro, I closed the door. I closed the door. We didn't have to run.
I know, but the other one is a lot faster.
Bro, what is that? What is that? Why is this called the bunker? This should be called the lot for
Wait, if you want to, I can show you how to get Gorilla Tag mods.
I can't speak today. Okay. Okay, do you want to skip this
So
one
if you
and
want
just end
Gorilla
the
Tag
video
mods, I
here?
can show you how. Look what you can do.
Do you want to skip the video and end the video here?
You can have it where your viewers can see the camera and you can like.
Do you wanna
let's end it here.
yeah, we're just gonna end the video. I'll do my outro in a minute. Wait a minute.
I edit my outros.
Hello?
Hello?
JD, where are you? Oh my God. Anyway, we gonna end the video now, or? Okay, I'm just gonna make an outro real quick. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, and I'll jack you later. Bye.